Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you 3 standing asanas in this yoga video. For that, first asana is Virabhadrasana. Stretch both the legs as shown in the video. Now turn the left foot, bend the left knee and stay in Namaskar Mudra as shown in the video. Bend back as much as possible. Stretch the right leg. The right foot should be on the floor. Stay in this position for about 10 to 15 breaths. While you go up, you have to inhale the breath and hold the breath as long as possible. The benefits of this asana is relieves backache and sciatica, strengthens the back muscles, tones the abdominal muscles, relieves acidity and improves digestion, strengthen the bladder, relieves menstrual pain and relieves heavy menstruation. Now the other side. Do the same thing the other side. Bend back as much as possible. Both the foot should be on the ground. This is a balancing asana. Stay in this position for about 10 to 15 breaths. It is very good for those who are having irregular menstruation and very heavy menstruation. The next asana is Garudasana or eagle pose. Now stand straight, keep both the legs side by side. Now put the right leg besides the left leg as shown in the figure as if Krishna pose. Now lock both the hands. Now lock the left hand. The right hand should be between the left hand. Now hold this position for about 10 to 15 breaths. The benefits of this asana is it's good for respiratory problems. This asana is a great asana for increasing the balancing. This asana improves concentration. It also improves flexibility of wrist, elbow, knee and hip joints. It stretches and opens the thighs, hips, shoulders and upper back. This is also a balancing asana. Stay in this asana for about 10 to 15 breaths. Now the other side. Do the same the other side. Keep the left leg across the right leg as shown in the figure as if Krishna pose. Now lock both the hands. The right hand should lock the left hand. The left hand should be between the right hand. Now bend the waist. Stay in this position for about 10 to 15 breaths. This asana is very good for students because they can improve their concentration. By practicing this asana regularly, we can increase our balancing and also relieve respiratory problems. These standing asanas are very good for toning the complete body, the thighs, the waist, the shoulders and everything. So at least everyone can do 4 to 5 standing asanas regularly so that our body can be fit. I have shown you several standing asanas in my previous yoga videos andi. I will also drop down the yoga videos playlist in this video. So have a look at that playlist and you can follow my yoga videos. The next asana is Ardha Kati Chakrasana or lateral arc pose. Now stand straight, keep both the legs side by side, don't put a gap between the legs. Now raise the right hand and bend your body towards left side. Keep your left hand on the left thigh and bend sidewards as much as possible. Keep the right hand straight. You have to bend sidewards, not front. Bend as much as possible sidewards and stay in this position for about 10 to 15 breaths. The benefits of this asana is, this asana tones the waistline, reduces the fat near the waist, reduces the shoulders pain, strengthens the backbone, also strengthens the shoulders muscles and tones the complete body. Now the other side. Do the same the other side. There should not be gap between the legs. Both the legs should be side by side. And the other hand should be on the leg itself. There should not be gap between the leg and the hand. Do this asana for about 10 to 15 breaths. This is also a balancing asana.